Hey guys, what's up? It's Illustrator Ryan Shaw coming back at you this week with a new lesson. And this week we're going to learn how to draw a wise owl. I love to draw animals, and owls are one of my favorite animals to draw. So let's get started and draw this wise looking owl. So to get started with this one, we're going to do light little lines here. Just think of like a gumdrop type shape for the head. Nice soft lines. So once you get the head shape down, let's move down to the body, and these shapes are going to overlap, and you're going to do a rounded triangular shape, three-sided rounded shape. Doesn't have hard edges on it. See where it overlaps? I can zoom in just a tad here for you. But if you look, you'll see the shape overlapping. Now let's go ahead and just draw a nice little faint line dissecting both halves. Okay, once we have that down, let's go halfway over here and do a wavy slanted line like that. And then on the other side, let's mirror that as much as we can. That's the brow. Now, under that, on the right side, let's do a rounded U shape. There's one eye. Let's do the same thing on the left. Okay, let's do another smaller shape, same thing there, that's the pupil. We're not going to fill it in yet. Same thing there. All right, now let's do the beak. Another rounded triangular shape. If you want to make it pointy on the tip, you can. Little nostril holes. All right, now let's go back up here and add some detail on the brow. Do the same thing on the other side. Okay. Liking the way this is looking. So let's go ahead and add some glasses. So there's the piece above the nose. And then around here, let's sketch out a nice circle shape that overlaps it all. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Nice circle shape. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and inside of that do another circle shape on both glasses, on both lenses. Now if you want to color this in, you can, or if you want to erase the overlapping lines and then just go back and fill in that spot, you can do that. Show that it's shiny. And then this is where we can go in and fill in the pupils. Don't fill it in so much there to give the illusion that there's a little bit of haze from that glass. All right. So there we have some glasses. And you know what? I want to go ahead and color those in. Just make it super dark. Maybe add a little bit of a glare there. Make these glasses look super shiny. If you leave them blank, maybe you can color them red or something like that. That'd be cool. All right, now, about right here, let's go ahead and add some little curved sockets there underneath the eye. See that one little ridge and then a curve. And then underneath that, you're going to kind of add some jagged lines. Remember, if you need to rewind this, you always can. This lesson is a little more advanced than my other ones I've posted so far. So it's not for beginners per se, but this is good practice once you start getting the hang of my other lessons. All right, now I'm adding some more details in here. On the head. And I kind of want to give him almost like a wise beard. Okay. And then over here, we'll have some points coming out. There. And on the same thing on the other side. All right. Let's clean this up just a tad. That's why it's super important to always sketch out everything at first. Can erase your lines with no problem, then you can go back and color in your details or make your lines a little more bold, which is what I'm doing now. Kind of do this as I go. Just darkening up those details some. That way you make no mistake of where object starts or ends. See how I'm leaving that faint right there? Just to give the illusion that there's a little bit of a haze to his lenses. Okay, let's focus on the body next. Right on the chest, let's add a few little curved U shapes for the for the feathers, fur. Let's do a few more in the next row, but not as many. And then maybe about 2 there. Kind of slow it down some there. And then let's go ahead and start adding some feathers over here. Maybe another one down here. And then when we get to the bottom right here, let's add a bunch of small ones. Have those lines extend in some. Okay, I'm going to zoom out just a tad. All right, let's focus on the wings. Just sketch out a little curve right there. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Real light. And then about right here, let's add another nice little curve there. Another little ball right there. Those are the legs. And then right in here are going to be the feet, the talons. All right, real light, sketchy. Don't press hard. Now go in and add the feathers here. Okay, so that's good. Add some small little lines there. All right, well, let's do the feet here. One toe there, another toe there, have it taper off there at the end. Let's erase some. Get rid of these stray lines. Same thing on the other side. All right, now I'm just going to kind of go in here and clean this up some. And the last thing I think we should do is just shade this some. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed it. Make sure to hit the subscribe button below and the notification bell if you want to keep up to date on the latest videos here on Cartoon University. And make sure to hit the like button if you did like this video. Thanks again for watching. See you next time.